Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Makeup Time. My name is Julia. So in today's video, my sister is here. She's gonna feature this video. I'm just gonna put makeup on her. All right,
I'm gonna get battered. That's what she meant.
we're just gonna beat her.
Yes.
Will you guys joining me? Let's beat this girl up.
I'm ready. I need the beating. Like,
all right.
this face you see right now, by the time we're through with it, by the time she's through with it, you will not recognize it. She's gonna give it a good beating.
Okay.
Well deserved.
You see this bad boy I have here, customized by her. If you want any wig or any weave on, any crochet, Ghana weave, like, go to my sister's channel and see.
Hit me up.
And she also encourage how to grow our hair. Healthy hair.
All day long.
So her channel is called
Faithless Grow. Head over to my channel where you see all to do with my protective style. Head over, also follow me on Instagram where I get to know good. Like, seriously, I'm not even kidding. You need to go there and find out for yourself.
Okay. All right, let's get started. So today we're just gonna use as you can see, my sister is slightly darker than me. We don't even look like sister. Sorry.
We know.
So everything we're gonna use, I can't actually use what I use for my sister. So I'm gonna use
product for my own skin tone, but she's gonna just do the work.
Okay.
On it. But do you have a sister that you feel like you don't look alike? Let us know. Comment down somewhere. Let us know. Your sister, blood sisters. I have to pay 230 quid for my microblading and it's looking rubbish. That is all natural. That is all eyes. I'm so gel.
All I need to do just draw on it. Boom.
See that? Eyes that fair. It's called discrimination.
And prime her face. So we are using Estee Lauder, the Magnify Shine Control 30 Primer Finishing. That's what we're gonna use for her whole face. So this area where we all usually get large pores, which her skin is perfect. By the way, when you're doing someone's makeup, make sure you wash your hands first. Okay, so we're just gonna apply this foundation now, which is again Estee Lauder Double Wear.
Stay in place makeup.
Stay in place makeup. You have to stay in place now.
That guarantee me full 8 hours.
Just put some back in my hand in case if I need more. Fresh wash. Blend the sponge. By the way, guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are all doing well. Now, L'Oreal. This is what we're using. L'Oreal True Match. So we're just gonna highlight this area. All right, we're just gonna blend this now. Bless you. Your skin is this is what we're gonna use to contour. It's actually black opal.
Is the Lancome setting powder.
Right. My sister is very posh, as you can see. This is Lancome. Yeah, you. This is what she's using for setting powder. So you can tell she's quite posh around here. All right.
So Lela, come on. Only the best we do.
All right, we're just going to use this brush here, which is a contour brush. We're going to set with black opal. We want light around here. All right, we're just going to use this one now, Rimmel, to set the whole face. It's a bronzer. I use it for bronzer, but that's the closest. All this place that is shiny still. So we've done the eyebrows now. We are going to use this one for this is the palette we are using today. So it's actually Ucanbe, and this same palette, that's what I use for my video today. And
you glowing.
I am love. And I'm gonna use it for my sister. She have her own palette, but I just decided to, I brought this with me, why not? Sigma E40, that's what I'm using. So I'm just gonna go in with this shade here. I'm not gonna make my sister look like me today, so I'm gonna go in with this shade here. So that be in like what we usually do, then blend. This Sigma is everything when it comes to blending. Right, now we've done with this shade, which is called Reef. So we're gonna go in now with stitch shots. My sister have a beautiful eyelid. Do you not think? Unlike me, I have big, my eyes are big, it's hooded, it's droopy.
Well, thanks for pointing that out. You seems to forget you have the best brow on earth. You have the best brow on earth. You know, you don't have to pay. In fact, you mourn because you have to pluck it. How do you fancy pay 230 quid on microblading? Never mind the pain. 7 days no washing, looking like Star Trek. How do you fancy that?
Oh, no, I don't think I would like that.
Exactly.
All right, we're just going to change our brush now. We go in with quite precise decor. I always call it decor. The color. And we're going in with this shade here. So we're just going to apply. in with this shade here to blend everything out. 2 shots. Oh wait, shut up. That bugger.
It's so loud. I can still hear it from here. Now it's time to change our brush. Yes. Okay.
Stranded. So the next shade we're gonna use is this shimmer here. Can I this shimmer here, Stranded. It's called Stranded. That's what we're just gonna pack this. We might experience some fallout, but oh wow, check you out.
Ah, ora sì che si parla. Sì, signora. Ora sì stiamo parlando. Sì. Ah?
Mi piace, eh?
Ah, bellissimo. Grazie, grazie, grazie.
Prego.
Mm.
Alright, for bottom lashes, we are just gonna go in with this shade here. Do you like this one? Or this one?
Probably that one.
Okay, it's called Baja. Baja. B-A-J-A. Alright, we're just gonna press it down. So cheese.
Cheese.
For mascara, we are using Volume Million Extra Black by L'Oreal. Oh no. All right, so we are on this point now. Everything is done. Blushes, highlighter, everything is done apart from this girl here. Right, we are using MIT lashes by Julia, which is my lashes line. Yeah, there you go. And the one my sister gonna use now is called Mia.
Why am I not using Faith?
I forgot to bring you. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah. So my sister is gonna use Mia. You can see Mia.
It's gorgeous.
She's beautiful. Yeah.
Camera is down here.
And I use Ella. The one I have on it, she called Ella. First. Oh, mama. You not be drinking water lately?
No.
Why is that?
Laziness. Actually, I've been very busy, but then again, it's not an excuse. I'll start again tomorrow.
Mansamo. This is full face done now. And yeah, look at how she's looking. She's looking super cute.
Gorgeous.
Yeah. And
Gorgeous. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This lashes is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it.
And I would like you to go and check my sister channel. Is what? What's your channel called, love?
Faith Let's Grow.
Faith Let's Grow.
Faith Let's Grow.
It's all about learning how to maintain your hair, how to grow your hair, learning about product. Guys, you are going to benefit from it. So check my sister channel out, and thank you very much for hanging out with us. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, well,
go subscribe.
Go and subscribe.
Make a run for it.
Yeah.
Now, do it now. You're missing out if you haven't. You are seriously missing out. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, double like it, triple like it. While you're at it, then subscribe. Okay? Show us some love.
And don't forget to kill that notification bell.
You must kill it. Make sure it's dead.
Yeah.
Buried.
Yeah. So whenever we upload a video like this,
you won't miss out.
You will not miss out.
Okay? We're gonna love you and leave you all. Ciao.
Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.